Today, we're reviewing the iRobot Roomba 105 Vac, a robot vacuum designed for consistent dry floor cleaning. It combines iRobot's trusted brand with essential autonomous cleaning capabilities. This model focuses on simplicity and effective suction, making it a solid choice for routine maintenance. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's examine how the Roomba 105 Vac performs in real-world, everyday cleaning scenarios. This model effectively handles daily dust and crumbs, ensuring your floors stay consistently clean with regular operation. Operating this vacuum-only robot is very straightforward, making daily maintenance and setup simple for all users. For routine carpet maintenance, this Roomba provides reliable cleaning performance, helping to keep your carpets fresh. Its focus on simplicity means it omits some advanced features, like premium navigation or a self-emptying dock system. This Roomba performs well for daily dry cleaning tasks and is designed to be straightforward to operate for everyday users. Next, we look at whether the iRobot Roomba 105 Vac offers good value compared to its price. iRobot continues to be a highly recognizable and trusted name in the robot vacuum market for many households. While basic upkeep is simple, the necessity of manually emptying the dustbin does slightly reduce its overall convenience. This model is quite useful for routine dry floor cleaning, offering good performance, especially if purchased during a sale. Many competing robot vacuums on the market provide more advanced features for a similar or even lower price point. This Roomba delivers good value, especially considering its strong brand recognition and effective dry floor cleaning capabilities. Finally, we assess the potential risks and common complaints associated with owning this particular robot vacuum. The lack of dock automation means you will have more frequent direct interaction with the robot for maintenance. Like many basic robot vacuums, this model can still struggle with cords and navigating very cluttered environments. The overall appeal of this robot vacuum is quite sensitive to its sale price when compared against more feature-rich competitors. One of iRobot's standout strengths continues to be its robust and reliable customer support structure for owners. Buyers should be aware of the manual upkeep and limitations with obstacles, though iRobot's customer support remains a significant advantage. The iRobot Roomba 105 Vac is a dependable dry cleaning robot, particularly appealing for those who value brand familiarity and straightforward operation. It excels at routine vacuuming and benefits from iRobot's strong support network. However, the need for manual bin emptying and its competitive positioning means it shines brightest when found at a good price. It's a capable choice if simplicity and reliability are your top priorities.